Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Seal Cove is a small coastal community located in the Gaspé Peninsula region of Quebec. It is part of the municipality of Percé along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The community is known for its natural coastline, fishing heritage, and connection to the traditional way of life found throughout eastern Quebec. Like many small communities in the Gaspé region, Seal Cove has a population made up of families with deep roots in the area. The area developed around the resources of the sea, with early residents relying on fishing, small-scale farming, and trade. Communities along this part of the Gaspé Peninsula grew during the 19th and 20th centuries as fishing became the foundation of the local economy. Fishing has long been one of the most important activities in Seal Cove and the surrounding region. Local fishermen have traditionally harvested species such as lobster, cod, crab, and other seafood from the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The region has a long history connected to exploration and settlement. The Gaspé Peninsula was home to indigenous peoples for thousands of years before European arrival. Jacques Cartier reached the Gaspé coast in 1534, beginning a new chapter in the area's history. Over time, French-speaking settlements expanded along the coast, creating communities that combined fishing traditions with agriculture and family-run businesses. Seal Cove is located near some of the most recognized scenery in Quebec. The nearby coastline features rocky shores, beaches, forests, and views across the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The region is famous for its natural attractions, including Percé Rock and Bonaventure Island. Housing in Seal Cove and the surrounding Percé area is generally more affordable than in Quebec's larger cities. Home prices vary widely depending on the property's condition, size, and location, especially for homes with ocean views. In recent years, average home prices in the broader Gaspé Peninsula region have generally been in the range of about $200,000 to $300,000, making the area attractive for people looking for coastal living at a lower cost. The community remains a small but important part of the Gaspé Peninsula. Its identity is shaped by the ocean, fishing traditions, and the natural beauty that surrounds it. While the industries and lifestyles have changed over time, Seal Cove continues to reflect the history and character of Quebec's eastern coastline. Thanks for watching!